In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy a Replit project on Vercel. Open up Replit, then click on Apps and find the project which you want to deploy on Vercel. Once you have your app open, then we will click on the plus sign here, Tools and Files, and then you want to search for Git version control for your app. So click on it, and then here we need to select Settings. Now you will need to sign into GitHub, so click on sign in, and here continue to GitHub source control. This is going to link our Replit account to GitHub. Now once you have done this, then we can create a remote repository. So here click on create remote, and you can set a name for it. So I'm gonna do new test just for this tutorial, and we're gonna click on create repository on GitHub. It needs to be one word. Okay, once we have done this, it should tell us created repository on GitHub. Now you will go into Vercel, and right here we want to select add new, then project, and you will need to connect your GitHub account to Vercel here. So you can do it. I have a separate tutorial on that, and it is going to detect all of your repositories here from GitHub. It might take a little bit of time, as you just saw. It took me a little bit, but you can just click on import, and then here you can change the settings and click on deploy. Once you click on deploy, then this is going to begin deploying your Replit app to Vercel, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.